Now the topic before us is understanding modules in Python, built-in, user-defined and external. Firstly, we must understand what is the meaning of modules. If we take a big toolbox in which there are lying different types of tools such as hammer, wrench, screwdriver, then these types of tools which are lying in the toolbox are used for different common purposes. We can use these tools in our for our common tasks in our day-to-day life. In Python, the modules are like these tools. Modules are pre-written code which have or provide functionalities for common tasks. With the help of these pre-written codes, we can do common tasks such as data manipulation, math calculations, or interacting with the web. We can use these modules in our programs and it saves our time and efforts to write the code afresh for the common tasks. We can use these modules across different projects. Now there are primarily two types of modules in Python. First is built-in modules and the second is user-defined modules. As the name suggests, in case of built-in modules, these modules are built in Python. It means that when we download the Python from the official Python website, then these modules come along, are automatically included. We have not to separately download and install. There is no need to separately download and install these modules. These modules offer common functionalities like math calculations, string manipulation, file handling, etc. These modules, that is the built-in modules, are developed and maintained by Python core team. Next is user-defined modules. As the name suggests, these modules are created by yourself. You, that is the user themselves creates it according to the needs of the projects. You write a module, you write a Python code in a file with .py extension. Inside the file, you define the functions, classes and variables which are relevant to your project. You can import the module in any Python program that needs those functionalities. That is, these modules are created by yourself. You use them in your own projects which need those functionalities. Next is external modules. These are not the third types of modules. They can be regarded as a type of user defined modules. These are not a part of the Python standard library. In case of built-in modules, we have the tools for common tasks. But if you require the tools or the codes for some special tasks such as web development, machine learning, etc., then the external modules come to our rescue. We can download these modules from online stores, that is the repositories. We can download the external modules from online repositories and we can use them in our projects. These modules are essentially a part of user defined modules, but these modules are written by others, not by yourself or ourselves. These modules are written by others and are not part of the Python standard library. These are installed, they are installed from external sources. We can install these modules from external sources using a package manager like pip. We will understand what is pip at a later stage. We can install external modules from external sources using a package manager like pip. These online stores have a huge variety of external modules. That is, the online repositories or online stores have a wide variety of external modules which we can use in our programs. So we can perform our project in a way, we can complete our project in an easy manner. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.